the living world. So the living world includes the organisms which have life, or the one which have life processes, or which are made up of the cells or cellular organization. So this type of organisms which have this type of characters are considered to be the living organisms. And here in this living world, so if at one point of time, if you say that there is a difference in the horizontal and in the vertical aspect, that means whatever the living organisms which are present at one point of time, there are many differences between those organisms. At the same time, there is a difference between the living organisms which are existing and which were present in the past years. So that means the differences are there in both the horizontal and also in the vertical aspect. And where does these living organisms are surviving? So do you find that there is a lot of diversity or differences or the variations that occur between one group of living organism and the other group of living organisms? Yes, that is we can see the living organisms from simple to complex organization. That is, some living organisms have the very simplest organization, that is, they may be made up of single cell, and as the complexity increases, so what we can say that each living organism is made up of many number of types of living cells, and the organization of the living cells is also in such a manner that their specific arrangement of the cells is also there. That's what from the simple to the complex nature can be observed. That means we can say that a lot of differences are there within the living organisms. So here, in which form or where does these living organisms are existing in this world? So we can say that the earth is a biome where there is a possibility of survival of the living organisms, and these living organisms are organized in different manner, like they may be present in the form of deciduous forests, in the form of crops where the cultivation is done. The same way they may be exist in the form of evergreen forests, some in the form of scrub jungles. Likewise, it is not like that one species will present only in one area. It may be distributed in different types of areas based on the adaptations which are exhibited by the plant and adjustment of acclimatization of the plant to that or living organism or animal to that particular locality. Likewise, we can see the lot of difference in the habitat of the living species which are present in this biome. And this is about the introduction related to the living world.